We talked about Hippocrates. 500 years later, another man came and pushed the knowledge boundaries of medical science even further. He became doctor of gladiators who wrestled and fought with lions in the arena. He treated their wounds and did treatments. He accompanied the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius in military campaigns. The two men enjoyed each other's company, discussed science and philosophy during long campaigns. He gathered valuable experience treating kings, army men, and even common people who were frequently brought to him. He believed in interaction of four humors in body, the idea put forth by Hippocrates. He said for treatment you choose opposite remedy of same intensity to balance off. Hot and moist will be balanced by cold and dry, but of same degree and strength. He paid attention to both mental and physical aspects of health and disease. Now science informs us that 90% of diseases are caused by stress. Practice of feeling pulse of patient came down from him. He wrote a treatise how pulse could inform about patient's health. It is slow or fast, strong or faint, regular or irregular. This practice we know still continues. Today all over the world doctors diagnose from movement of pulse. However, he had no idea on circulation of blood. He learned human anatomy through experimenting dissection of animals. Scientists still use animals for their research. He found each part does do something. For example, liver he found was able to draw material from stomach after digestion and turned it into blood. He discovered that arteries and veins carry different colors of blood. Idea on circulation of blood came much later. About 1500 years later, an English physician, William Harvey, discovered it. He gave a three-part system of spirits to explain how our bodies work and how imbalances cause sickness. This idea was probably passed down from Plato. Like Aristotle, he believed that world has been designed. He believed that universe was made by one creator. Have you guessed who was this accomplished person? He was Galen. Galen is such an iconic name in story of medical science that famous Muslim scholar Avicenna is sometimes mentioned as the Galen of Islam. Next, we will discuss how these ideas were built upon by thinkers of later generations. Bye for now, stay tuned.